Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. And today's soap, I'm going to try something different I have not done before. First of all, I'll be using 4 different colors. I will be using Nurture Soap's Orange Vibrance. I will be using Nurture Soap's Emerald Green. I will be using Nurture Soap's Amaranth Pink. And I'm going to use up the last of my Mad Micah's Grape Knee High. I'm going to fragrance this with a tried and true crisp cotton from Brambleberry. This has always been one of their best sellers, and I have personally used it. Behaves great, smells great, holds its scent. And since I'm trying something new, I want it to behave well. So what I'm doing is using my slab mold, and I'm going to fill the mold as though I were doing a spin swirl. So I'm going to take all the 4 colors and put them on each corner of the mold. I'm going to pour 2, turn it, pour 2, turn it, pour 2, so on, so on, so on, until the mold is filled. Now, since I'm pouring 2 at the same time, it should be a fairly fast pour. Plus, I know that fragrance behaves well, and I'm using micas that stir in easily. So anyway, we'll see. Might be a total disaster, but bottom line is it'll still be soap. So I'll see you in a bit when I get everything ready. Okay, I am ready. So let's get this colored, and let's get it scented, and let's begin to pour. For each of these, with this batch, about a level teaspoon of mica is good. So here's our Orange Vibrance. And I usually add a little bit of neon to this. I'm not going to this time because I don't want to do any more stick blending than I have to. So this won't be this really vibrant orange. It will dull some, which is alright. So be it. So let's get our green in. I can't remember if this green morphs or not, but it always turns back regardless. We're going to find out here in a little while if it morphs. I haven't used it in a while. Next is our Amaranth Pink. And finally, our Grape Knee High Purple. And actually, I thought I was going to use all that, but I've got enough for one more use. Now let's get our fragrance stirred in. Start with a hand stir like always, just to be certain, because I haven't used this in a while, and I do think Brambleberry changed the formula a little bit to give it a usable rate with the new IFRA regulations. I think they had to several of their fragrances because the new recent IFRA was just so low. Boy, it does smell good. Alright, so. And even with the changes, the website says it behaves, and there were no user reviews that said it had issues, so I really don't think it will. I think I'll give it a quick stick blend because this is going to be a pretty fast pour. It should be. And this emerald green does not morph. I couldn't remember, but no, it's staying that vibrant green. Okay, so let's give this a quick stick blend just to make sure everything's well emulsified. Are ready to pour. So I'm going to have 2 colors up here, 2 colors down here. And let's make sure you can see. I'm going to pour in equal, let me see. Yeah, you can see. So I'm going to start about 3 seconds, opposing corners. Turn it. I may be blocking your view, and I am sorry. And boy, I'm not sure about this. Now I've lost my concentration. I'm not going to work quite the way I thought it would because I've lost concentration. My batter is not behaving as well as I thought it would. And I'm just going to have to make a mess. That's just how it is. It's going to be a messy pour. Messy, messy, messy. All right, let's finish this up. This did not go as planned. Also, what I wanted to do was on the one side, since I'm experimenting anyway, just do a skewer just on the one side. And let's just make something of this top. And that's as good as it gets. I will do a little bit of cleanup. I will squirt that with some alcohol to prevent soda ash, hopefully. See how gelatinous it still is though? So I don't know. That was interesting to say the least. But we'll find out tomorrow what it looks like. But bottom line is, it's in the mold. It'll be soap. So I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Alright, I'm back and it's time to cut our soap. So if you watch the video, the pour did not go very well at all. The color palette is just exactly what I wanted. And it looks like it started out doing, but it got really thick on me. And then I lost concentration and I forgot which way I twisted and it was not a good pour. Not good at all. Got into the mold, it's soap, it smells fantastic. So, you know, that's the main thing. So let's take a look and see. One side was just that pour that I did, and then the other side I took the skewer and like did the chopstick swirl. Now actually, from here, I can't tell which one. And you know, it might look halfway decent, I don't know. Now that pink and that orange are a little too similar, I can tell. But let's cut some from each log and see, because truth is I forgot which log was just the regular pour and which had the swirl in it, so we'll find out. It does smell fantastic, and I marked the bottle hand stir only. Alright, this looks like it was just the pour, so you know, it's not bad. I just wanted to try something different, have kind of a different design. Yeah, this is definitely the one that just had the pour, so you know, it's not bad. Better than I thought. Like I say, the only difference is the pink and the orange are way too similar. So I have to use a different pink. Let's get one more from this log, and then I'll get one from the other log, and we'll see what we have. Well, so far, can't tell anything happened. There we go, a little more mixing. Yeah. There was kind of nice. That was sort of what I was hoping for. Ignorant camera cut off on me. But anyway, you know, it's not bad. Definitely not what I didn't really truthfully know what to expect. I was just trying something. So it's not bad. It does smell out of this world. I love that fragrance. And if I hand stir it, I know it'll behave. So that's what I'd do different. I would use a different pink and I would hand stir that fragrance. But other than that, you know, hey, it's not bad. And that's what I have for this week. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. Bye, everybody.